I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. It's vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hello mga idols, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Suzuki, Dagupan. At syempre, kaya po tayo nandito dahil papakita ko sa inyo yung mga model nilang available dito sa kanilang store. At kung gusto nyo pong bumili, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa kanilang branch, Suzuki Dagupan, along top walk pala sila dito. So yan po mga idols yung kanilang mga available units dito. At kung gusto nyo pong bumili, meron din po tayong magaganap na malaking event dito sa Pangasinan. Yan nga po yung Guanzon Festival 2023. Yan po ay magaganap na ngayong week na to. At abangan nyo po yan sa Friday, Saturday, Sunday, February 17, 18 at 19. So kung gusto nyo bumili at mas marami pang freebies at discount, pwede kayong pumunta dyan. Directly kayo sa Suzuki booth. At siyempre may mga special discount silang binibigay. Plus may mga activities pa tayo dyan. Gaya po ng mga PMS. Kung gusto nyo magpa-check up or magpa-change oil ng inyong Suzuki motorcycle, pwede rin po dyan. So mga idols, may mga discount din sila sa mga oils nila or yung mga iba pang freebies doon. So ngayon, kung gusto niyo po matry yung kanilang mga motor, gaya po nitong nasa likod natin, V-Strom 250, possible po baka meron din silang test drive unit dyan. So kita-kita tayo, February 17, 18 at 19, Guanzon Festival mga idols. Mas marami pa po tayong freebies at discount makukuha dyan. So yun po. And para naman sa presyohan ng ating mga Suzuki motorcycle, gaya po nitong ating bagong-bagong model V-Strom 250 SX. Yan po may SRP 229,000 pesos. So kung gusto nyo bumili nito, ang kanyang color version, Champion Yellow. At ang installment natin, down payment is 70,000. Para sa 3 years, 36 months, 8,500 po yung ating ibabayad dyan mga idols. Siyempre para sa ating specs and details, yung engine nito ay 250cc Suzuki Enhanced Power po ito at maka-oil cooling mga idol. Siyempre ito meron tayong other color option. Ito naman po yung glass sparker black color. Yan po mga idol yung ating V-Strom 250 SX mga idol. Siyempre pa ito po may mga accessories na rin at siyempre ito po equipped ng dual channel anti-lock braking system. Yung pinakagandahan dito sa ating V-Strom na to. At adventure touring bike to, no? Formado na. Next model natin itong Gixxer 155 Fi. Street naked bike. May tatlong kulay ito, red, black, saka blue. SRP 100,900 pesos po ito. At sa installment natin, down payment 13,800, 36 months 4,834 pesos. Gixxer 155 Fi edition mga idol. Yan po next model natin. Ito namang GSX-S 150. Mga idols, may dalawang kulay ito. Ito pong matte Triton blue at yung black color. SRP 133,900 pesos. 150cc po ito. At syempre, ito po ay liquid cooling na. Installment naman ito, down payment 18,800 pesos. At 36 months, 6,273 pesos. Yan po yung ating GSX-S 150cc mga idol. Matte Triton blue po itong color na to. At meron tayong black color. Next model natin, Raider 150 Fi. Ang color naman na ito ay Titan Black mga idols. Red ang kanyang combination at black. SRP 116,400 para sa ating fuel injection model. Siyempre meron pa itong other color gaya nitong ivory white at yung Triton blue. Installment naman ito 13,800 at 36 months 5,530 naman para sa ating monthly payment. Raider R150 fuel injection mga idol. Napaka-forma nito. Talagang marami po talagang bumibili as of today nitong mga bagong decals at color combination itong ating Raider 150. Mga idols, next model naman natin itong kanilang Raider 150 carburetor type naman. So mga idols, may mga other color din to. Itong sa ating video, itong matte Triton blue. At ang SRP nito 103,900 pesos. Para sa installment, down payment natin 10,800 at 36 months 5,142 pesos. Kita nyo yung ating instrument panel, digital at analog yan. Next model natin mga ito, siyempre Smash This. Ito naman po SRP 65,400 at sa installment natin, down payment 5,800 at monthly payment natin 36 months 3,421. At next model natin, Happiness 125 mga idol. Siyempre ito naman scooter natin, bagong-bago rin. SRP 79,400, installment 6,800 para sa down payment, 36 months 4,089 pesos. Kung gusto niyo pong bumili ng mga Suzuki motorcycle, punta na po kayo sa Guanzon Festival at siguradong marami tayong freebies at discount na makukuha dyan. Mga idols, subscribe kayo sa ating YouTube channel, pakihit yung all button. Shoutout mo natin yung mga idols natin kay Richard Soriano from Saudi, kay Darwin De Vera, Saudi Arabia din po yan. Ingat po kayo dyan mga idols at ride safe po.